Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes.
Today we're going to replace the indicator or blinker or bulb or lamp on an Audi 2008 A3 5-door Sportback model.
Yeah, and Paul's going to show you how it's done.
Now this is the offending indicator here, or blinker, and all we need is a flathead or blade screwdriver which comes with your Audi toolkit, which is located under the trunk in the toolkit. And here we have it here. And let's start. With the screwdriver, you put it into the little slot that you see and undo counterclockwise. Now be careful if it comes too loose that it doesn't fall down into the body. Now I can't get my fingers in there, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a needle nose pliers. So I'll get the needle nose pliers, get a grip and remove. That's it there. According to the instruction manual, what you do then is you get your fingers in here and here and you just work it out. And there you have it. Remembering that the indicator is on the bottom here, or blinker, and this will be the one down here. Now it's held on with 2 screws, so what you do is remove the screws, or nuts I should say, put them in your pocket so you won't lose them, and the unit will rise up. There you have your plate, and again remembering which one that you're going to replace, this one here. So what you do then is you press it down, turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. This is a replacement bulb. It's a 12 volt 21 watt single element, and in order to fit it in is you just find a little slot on each side on the holder and push it down and turn it clockwise. Once you have that done, we'd like to think it's going to work, so we're going to put it back together again now. So what I do is we'll place it gently back in and close it down, and remembering the screws that you kept in your pocket, we're going to screw them on. That's one, and I have another one here, that's 2, and we're ready to fit it back onto the car. So fitting it back on is pretty much a reversal of removing, so line it up and just push it in. Now it doesn't feel quite tight because the holding screw on the inside is not in yet, but as you can see it's lined up nicely. Putting the screw back on, or nut I should say, is hold in the lens from the outside, bring up the nut and see if you can turn it a little to get it started. And once you think you have it started, if your fingers are small enough, I mean mine are like bananas, but if you think they're small enough, then work in as much as you can, but in my case I'll have to use the screwdriver. So I'll screw it. Now once it's finger tight, push the lens in from the outside with your flat of your hand and then screw some more. That should be nice and tight, and that's not going anywhere. replace or put your screwdriver back into your toolkit and the job is done. Well, that wasn't too awkward a job to do.
Absolutely, and the same procedure would probably apply to a lot of other Volkswagen Audi Group cars, and the same procedure would apply if you're replacing the stoplight or the tail light as well.
Well, thanks for watching. Feel free to comment and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to
Driveway Dudes.
And you can also follow us on
Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Blogger.